Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be talking about maintenance. Now, I've watched a few maintenance week videos here on YouTube, and I think it's really interesting to see the different things that people do to maintain. So I figured that I would just do my own version of a maintenance week. When it comes to maintenance, for me at least, I do everything for convenience. So anything that will ultimately make my life easier, just simpler, I'm all about it. And that's exactly what I feel like my maintenance week looks like. It just ends up making my life easier once everything is done. So yeah. But anyways, that is what today's video is on, so let's jump right in. Okay, so I am right outside of the med spa where I get my laser hair removal treatments, and today is my 7th session out of 8, so I'm almost done. And don't worry, I have like a full video coming about this whole entire process, so I won't get too in detail. This is my laser hair removal get up. I don't wear anything underneath this just because if you're doing full body laser hair removal, you actually have to get like completely naked, so it's just no point putting on the works. About to go in for my appointment, and I am so happy to almost be done with this because it's quite the process, guys. I'm not even gonna lie, but so worth it though, so worth it. But I'll talk more about that in my video about this. But yeah, about to head in and just let her do her thing. I'll also take you guys in there with me real quick, show you around a bit. So see you in a few. All right, so I just got into the room, I undressed, I put this robe on. Because I am getting full body, like I said, I have to be like totally naked, so completely naked under this robe. She's about to come in, and she's gonna give me some green goggles. And let me show you guys the machine that they have. So this is the machine that they use. I believe it's the YAG, but I'm gonna get some confirmation. I think it's the YAG machine though, which is the one that is safe for women of color to use. I just sit on this bed here, and we just do the full body treatment. I'm not gonna lie, guys, it's not the most pleasant thing to go through, so I am so ready to just be done with this. And actually, I just found out this is my last treatment. I thought that I had one more, but this is the last one, so I'm like, thank you, God. And then there's also a touch-up that you can get. I think it's like a free bikini touch-up, so I'll be getting that in like probably sometime next year, honestly, because everything really is so sparse that unless it starts to come in a little bit, thicker, there's not going to be a need for me to come in for that like touch-up anytime soon. So yeah, but I'm excited. This is my last one. I'm ready. I'm ready for this to be done. Alright guys, so I'm back at home, and that session actually went very well. Wasn't as painful. She always has ice with her, which is always a great thing because I just need to have the ice to numb certain areas. But again, I will talk about that in the whole video of this whole process of laser hair removal. That was a good session. It was my last one. I could have sworn I had one more left, but it was actually my last one, so I am so happy about that. So now I'm just gonna go ahead, eat some lunch, and in a few days I will take you guys with me to get my hair done. And I'm not gonna do anything special, probably just gonna get some more braids. I love braids. I don't know what's going on with me right now, but they're easy. I don't know, they're easy. But yeah, it's probably just gonna be another braided up hairstyle. But anyways, I'll take you guys along with me for that. And yeah, until then, I'll see you later. Alright, so I'm back. It's a whole new day, and last night I took my hair down, so I am heading to my stylist right now. She has like this private studio suite kind of situation, which I love that setup. I'll probably have a whole rant when I get out of there about like salons in general. I just can't do salons, guys. I just can't. I am about to arrive there, and I mean, there's not too much to see, but I guess I'll show you guys a little bit of the process of what my stylist does as far as her doing my hair. I'm also sorry if this footage is like real shaky because my camera is on my phone suction thing in my car, and it's like hanging on by nothing. So I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna go ahead and get more braids. Actually, I'm not pretty sure. I'm definitely getting more braids today. I like that hairstyle. It's so easy. It just, I literally get up and go. Such a good feeling. And I don't know, I just feel like confident with braids, like beautiful. All right, so I'm here, so I'm about to go ahead and head inside, and yeah. I will show you guys the process. Alright, so I'm back at home now and the braids are done. Love these. I went ahead and did 8 total instead of the 6 that I did last time, just so they can last like a little bit longer. I just love braids. I can't say it enough. So my stylist works out of a salon suite, so it's pretty much like this building that has rooms inside where people do different things. So there's like barbers, there's people who do like lashes, hair, braiding, just like different things go on in the different rooms. And I just really love that setup because salons are so, they just need to improve the overall vibe of salons. I mean, I'm only speaking for where I live, which is in Georgia, Atlanta, and I don't know, man. It's just, there'd just be a lot going on in salons, and it's just so much nicer if you can just be one-on-one with your stylist, which is exactly what I have with my stylist. Like, there's no one around, no one can hear us, it's just us talking. It's just a simple process. It's a nice service, everyone's happy. But I don't know, I mean, let me know what you guys think. Like, are you fine with salons? Like, do you not care? Do you love your salon that you go to? Like, it's just like, you know, great vibes, or are you just over the salon setting? Because I know I am, and I have been for years. If I don't have to, I will never go to another salon again. So next up on my maintenance list are my nails, and looking at them now, they're not quite ready yet to get done. They're getting there, so I'm thinking maybe by next week is when I will need to get them done. So I will see you guys then. All right, so new day, and my nails officially look crazy as hell. So I'm about to go inside and get my nails done. Now my nail lady, she does not want any new clients. Like, she does not want the press. So I'm just gonna be like filming bits and pieces of getting my nails done. But I actually really like my nail lady because she works so fast. I mean, I never get like full sets every time. I just get fill-ins, but she just works so fast with my nails. Really love that about her. But anyways, I'm about to head inside. It is so cold. I do not want to get out of this car, but I'm already running late. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Yeah, so I don't know if I mentioned it, but I definitely get my nails done at a nail salon in the mall, so yeah. I didn't talk about it at all in the video, but as far as my nails go, I do get gel powder, and that's like the step up from acrylic, so this just isn't as harsh on your nails. I've been getting this for years, like literal years, probably about 7 years consistently, like without giving my nails a break, which is not good, but I mean, my nails are so strong, like it's okay. I do want to give my nails a break though, so I am considering like just getting these taken off and just wearing my natural nails short. I'm still thinking about that. And if you cared, I usually spend about $25 each time I get my nails done because it's always just a fill-in. But if I was getting a full set, which I do about once or twice a year, I think it's like 30 or 35. As far as getting my hair done, this usually costs me about like $70 in that ballpark. Could be less, could be more. Just depends on what style I'm getting, but that's usually what I'm spending for my hair every time. And of course, as far as all of the laser hair removal stuff goes, I am gonna do a dedicated video on that, like I said, so that should be coming very soon now that I'm done with those treatments, but I'll get into the price and all of that good stuff in that video. And also, I didn't include it in this video because I have a whole video on how I maintain my brows, but I also do that whenever I get my hair done and nails done, just to feel like complete. You can take a look at that video if you want to see how I do my brows. And my self-care routine that I do, I usually do that on Sundays. And again, that's also what I do to feel like, you know, complete. So yeah, I will leave those 2 videos down below if you want to check those out as well. But that is everything. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and check out my other videos while you're here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Don't drive and film, guys. How do they have cones right there? What is going on? There's a better parking spot over there. What's that? Walking through Macy's. They already spraying fragrances in here. Okay. Forever an eyelash in my eye. Oh my gosh.